In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stack similar photos in Adobe Bridge. If you've ever found yourself overwhelmed by a large collection of photos and want to streamline your workspace, this tutorial is for you. Let's dive into the process, which is straightforward and designed to make managing your photos easier and more efficient. First, we begin by navigating to the folder in Adobe Bridge where your photos are stored. This step is crucial because it's from here that you'll select the images you want to organize. Make sure you're viewing the right collection and are ready to streamline your workflow. Once you're in the desired folder, the next step is selecting the photos that you want to stack together. This is especially useful if you're dealing with a series of similar images, like multiple shots of the same subject. To select multiple photos, hold down the Control key if you're using Windows or the CMD key on a Mac. While holding down this key, click on each file you want to include in the stack. This way, you can easily group just the right set of images without needing to deal with them one by one. After selecting the files you want to stack, your next move will involve grouping them together. To do this, head over to the menu bar at the top of your screen, then click on Stacks, followed by Group as Stack. An alternative way is to right-click your selection and then choose Group as Stack from the context menu. This flexibility allows you to use the method that is most convenient for you. You'll know you've successfully stacked your photos when you see a thumbnail appear in the content panel of Adobe Bridge. This thumbnail will show a number in the top left corner. That number is key, as it indicates how many files you have grouped within this stack. It's a handy visual cue that helps you see at a glance how many images you're working with in a particular grouping. Now, if you want to take a closer look at the photos within your stack, you can easily do so. Simply click on the number in the thumbnail, and that will expand the stack, allowing you to view all its contents. Alternatively, you can go back to the Stacks menu and select Open Stack. This gives you a clear view of everything contained within. Once you've finished looking through the stack and want to tidy up your view, you can collapse it back down. To do this, just click the number again or head to the Stacks menu and choose Close Stack. This toggling ability makes it simple to expand and collapse stacks as needed, ensuring your workspace stays clean and organized. And there you have it. By stacking similar photos in Adobe Bridge, you can manage your image collections more effectively, saving time and keeping your workspace neat. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.